Thanks for dropping by the overly diversified dividend portfolio. Disclaimer slide. Invest at your own risk. Ticker symbol number 4. Company info stored from the company. I'll let you read the brochure. Today, the REIT is the largest non-government owner and manager of medical offices and buildings and healthcare facilities from coast to coast. Dividend info. Started paying dividend in 2010. Payment history stable. Dividend info pays 80 cents per year per share. Payout of 6 cents per share per month. Quick math section. If you invest $10,000, divide by the share price of $13.46, you get 742 shares, times 0.6 cents, you get $48.97 per month. Share price. Started trading in May 2010 at $10.38, currently trading at $13.46. Quick math, if you bought in 2010, invested $10,000 at $10.38, you'd have 962 shares. Today's value, if you held not including dividends, $12,961. Why I like it. A share price of $13.46 with a 6-cent dividend payment, which is paid monthly. Company has been paying a dividend steadily since 2010. Company is paying out a dividend of between 82 and 87% of earnings. Company has been trading since 2010. Company has been around since 2004. Reference investor presentation at nwhreit.com. What others are saying, fair value estimate plus $15 price range, trading 26% below estimate. Earnings grew by 262.9% over the past year. Pays a dividend of 5.98%. Conclusion. Information shared here was sourced from financial documents available on the company's website, northwesthealthcareproperties.gcs-web.com. Dividend data was sourced from dividendhistory.org. Share price information was sourced from Yahoo Finance. This concludes today's presentation. Make sure the stock is right for your portfolio.